Protecting the interior of your Ram 1500 doesn't mean sacrificing style or comfort. The best waterproof seat covers offer durable, stylish, and precise fitting solutions tailored to withstand daily wear and tear, spills, and dirt, keeping your seats pristine under any condition. From custom fits that hug your seat snugly to easy-to-clean materials convenient for pet owners and outdoors enthusiasts, we've reviewed the top options to keep your Ram 1500's interior both functional and fashionable. Explore our top picks for waterproof seat covers that promise to protect without compromising on aesthetics or essential accessibilities like airbags and seatbelts. At number 5 is the GXT Dodge Ram Seat Cover Full Set. The GXT Dodge Ram Seat Cover Full Set is a commendable choice for Dodge Ram owners looking to protect and enhance the interior of their vehicles. Customized for select 2013 to 2021 Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, and 3500 pickup trucks. This set includes covers that provide access to the side airbags, ensuring safety without compromise. Crafted from premium faux leather, the covers boast a luxurious feel while promising durability. The material mimics leather effectively, both in aesthetics and in ease of maintenance, requiring just a simple wipe down with a damp towel to clean. This synthetic option is favorable for those seeking a cruelty-free leather alternative without sacrificing quality. Functionally, the set exceeds expectations. Its waterproof nature guarantees protection against typical vehicular messes such as spills, stains, and wear, crucial for maintaining the vehicle's resale value. The addition of a padded cushion underlines an understanding of the need for comfort during long drives, mitigating fatigue. Installation is straightforward, as the package comes equipped with necessary accessories and clear instructions, streamlining the process without requiring additional tools. An astute feature is the convenient storage pocket located on the front seat covers, ideal for organizing essentials like mobile phones and wallets, which enhances accessibility and decreases distraction while driving. At number 4 is the Nilight car seat covers for Ram 1500. The Nilight car seat covers for various models of Ram pickup trucks from 2009 to 2024 offer an exceptional blend of protection, style, and durability. Tailored specifically for the Ram 1500 Crew Cab and Ram 2500 to 3500 Crew Cab, these covers ensure a precise fit that complements the car's interior while preserving full functionality of essential features such as child safety seats, seat belt buckles, airbags, and rear armrest boxes. Made from 5 layers of premium materials, the surface features wear-resistant leather which notably resists water absorption and doesn't retain hair, making it ideal for pet owners and outdoor enthusiasts alike. This waterproof quality ensures protection against spills and stains, prolonging the life and appearance of the original seats. Beneath the leather, a non-slip cloth layer adds stability to the cover, preventing it from sliding and enhancing passenger comfort throughout the journey. Noteworthy are the meticulously designed features such as compatible safety belts, airbags, and secondary elements like the rear armrest, which remains accessible through neatly placed zippers. The seating experience is reinforced by adjustable headrest covers and reliable fastenings like zippers and Velcro, which besides providing a secure fit, add to the aesthetic appeal of the seats with a sleek, modern look. For installation, the covers can be set up quickly, thanks to the included manual waiving the need for additional tools. Completing the installation within 25 minutes is a feasible task even for beginners. Additionally, Nilight honors a 2-year warranty. At number 3 is the FEEliT Ram Waterproof Seat Covers Full Set. The FEEliT Ram Waterproof Seat Covers set provides an excellent choice for Ram truck owners looking to enhance and protect their vehicle's interior. Tailored specifically for the 2011 to 2018 Ram 1500 Crew Cab and select 2011 to 2024 Ram 2500 and 3500 models, including the Bighorn, Laramie, Limited, and Longhorn versions with a distinctive 4/6 split curved rear seat. These covers offer a snug, almost bespoke fit. This full set comprises 2 individual 2-piece front seat covers, 1 split rear seat cover corresponding seamlessly with the OEM's 40% per 60% configuration, 5 headrest covers, and a console cover, which requires checking for specific fitment details. Moreover, each component is crafted following the exact specifications of the original manufacturer's seats, ensuring not only an aesthetic integration into the vehicle's interior design, but also maintaining a high standard of function and form. A particularly valuable feature is the suite's non-intrusive design. Once installed, necessary tabs, buttons, and buckles remain easily accessible, ensuring adjustments can be made quickly and efficiently without removing or manipulating the covers extensively. This thoughtful inclusion underscores their practicality for everyday use. Additionally, the waterproof material contributes indispensably to the set's utility, forming an effective barrier against spills, stains, and wear, which is essential for maintaining vehicle resale value and cleanliness. At number 2 is the LUCKYMAN Club D01 ZGJ Ram Seat Covers. The LUCKYMAN Club D01 ZGJ Ram seat covers are an excellent choice for Ram truck owners looking for a blend of comfort, durability, and impeccable fit. Compatible with a range of models from 2011 to 2024, including the 1500, 2500, 3500, and 1500 Classic across crew, quad, and regular cab configurations, they cater to a broad spectrum of the Ram lineup. The covers score highly on compatibility, ensuring that essential features such as airbags and seat belt buckles remain fully functional and accessible, a crucial safety feature not overlooked by LUCKYMAN Club designs. Additionally, the integration with heated seats and allowances for cup holders ensures that convenience is paired equally with protection, making these covers an ideal choice for those wanting to retain usable luxury features. Constructed from high-quality faux leather layered with a thick sponge, these seat covers offer a protective barrier that is both soft to the touch and robust against wear and tear. The material is foolproof against common spoilages like spills, dirt, and pet scratches, making it highly suitable for drivers with active lifestyles or pets. Furthermore, the non-slip cloth used on the underside of the cover to grip the original seating tightly addresses a frequent issue with seat covers, shifting when entering or exiting the truck. Functionality extends to the rear with the tailor-made design for the 60/40 split bench, possessing the capability to fold up efficiently without dislocation or sagging. This functional integrity is carried over during installation, made simple and tool-free, allowing owners quick and straightforward fitting by following the attached video and manual instructions. At number 1 is the MIROZO Dodge Ram Seat Covers Full Set. The MIROZO Dodge Ram Seat Covers set offers a tailored solution for a wide range of Ram trucks from 2009 to 2024, covering models such as the 1500, 2500, and 3500 across crew, quad, and regular cab setups. These covers stand out for their specialized compatibility with split flat bench configurations in a 40/60 split, although it's crucial to note that they do not fit curved bench seats, which could be a limiting factor for certain vehicle interiors. These seat covers are crafted from high-quality faux leather, a choice that brings several benefits. It's durable, waterproof, and significantly easier to maintain. Cleaning is merely a matter of using a wet towel, which is particularly convenient for those leading active, outdoor, or family-oriented lifestyles where spills and dirt are common occurrences. MIROZO has emphatically focused on safety and convenience in their design. The sideless feature of the seat covers ensures that there are no impedances with the operation of airbags, a paramount consideration. Moreover, not covering the seat belt buckles maintains easy access, enhancing the user-friendly aspect of these covers. Additional utility is provided through small integrated pockets that offer practical storage options for smaller items, keeping them within easy reach. Installation is streamlined and user-friendly, typically requiring half an hour and supported by a clear instruction manual and online video resources that guide the user step by step. Summarily, MIROZO's seat cover set serves as a robust covering solution that combines ease of installation, practical maintenance, and usability with a nod towards safety concerns. The premium material, convenience features, and warranty assurance make this an appealing choice for Ram owners looking to upgrade or protect their vehicle interiors.